Hey cheaties, it's Rachel. What's up with you today? So guys, do you know what's funny? Like, as I told you, I literally listen to K-pop every single day, and a song that I've been listening to a lot recently has been Airplane Pt.2, like MARIACHI. And honestly guys, I noticed that I haven't really seen them perform it live. Like, we saw them perform it live for the Mama 2018. The red hair, the white suits, oh my gosh, that performance just hit different. Jungkook strutting down that runway, and I was like, I need more Airplane Pt.2 live. Like, how have I not seen more performances? So today we are going to be watching BTS perform Airplane Pt.2 live at the comeback show. We all know that every single time any K-pop group performs at the comeback show, it always hits different. And the fact that it's Airplane Pt.2, like guys, I absolutely love that chorus choreo. Honestly, I cannot wait to see this, guys. Let's get straight into this. So guys, just before we get stuck into this, I wanted to say thank you guys for tuning in. And today's shout out goes to every single person out there, because guys, it's Chinese New Year. Honestly, I am so excited guys, because it's the year of the ox, which is me. But guys, this is all of our years. Like, honestly, 2021 has started off great, and I'm just so excited to see what the future holds, especially with you guys. Gong hei fat choi to every single one of you, and honestly, but hey, I am seriously so excited for this, guys. Like, Airplane Pt.2 is a jam, and like the choreo, oh my gosh guys, we are in for a treat. Let's go. The iconic chair. Okay. The flirty eyes. Yes! Seriously, that part is just everything. The passing back and forward from the microphone, like, oh my god, the energy is next level already, and I'm loving the outfits. Like, the styling is insane. We still. Loving all of the flowy tops. That is what I was looking for. These vocals. Oh, I love that. Oh, the footwork. Jiminy's little, I don't know. Oh my gosh, this is so dramatic. The chemistry on stage is just next level. And I love the way that they go back like that. Hey. Oh, Shugi. I'm so sorry. I didn't know that that move could get any better.
We're going from Mexico City.
Oh, I love the way he sounds when he says that. Oh my gosh, guys. I remember the first time I ever checked out this song. I was literally just in love with a mariachi, a mariachi. Like, oh my gosh, the like mix of cultures that they have in the music video as well, like with the outfits and everything. Obviously the mariachi. And when it started raining, like, oh, it's bringing back so many memories, honestly. And I just fell in love with the song. Like, I couldn't stop listening to it. And then they performed it at Festa, like we watched it at Mama. And then I listened to it like literally all the time, and I just absolutely love it. The fact that you can like listen to a K-pop song and just imagine the choreo is what hits different. Like that chorus dance, mariachi. Stop it. But yeah, as I said, I've been listening to it all the time, and I was like, I need to see another live. And I was like, of course I have to react to it with you guys, because I love doing that with you guys. But honestly, like, I could just sit there and watch every single Airplane Part 2 live that they're in, because I just love everything about it. Like from the start, even like the set that they were in, like with those like multicolored lights, I love that because it had such like a mariachi type of vibe. And then their outfits with the flowy tops. Seriously, seeing Sugar in that hat as well, I was like, boy, these boys can actually pull off any style. But alongside that, the vocals, like Kooky Dookie Doo, coming through with those beautiful vocals, especially his little at the end. But yeah, the vibe of this is just what hits different. Like, I just love that no matter what song that they perform, whatever meaning it has behind it, and you know, the sound of the song, they really perform that energy to you and you feel it. Like, all you want to do is jam and feel cheeky when you're watching them. The little faces that they were doing, the powerful energy coming off them. And the best part about it is the chorus dance. Like, first Jiminy Moon just coming through like with his cheekiness, and I love the little head flicks that he does. And I didn't think the chorus dance would get any better, and Tay-Tay comes through with that cheeky vibe. Somebody please help me. Oh guys, I am just so happy that we got to watch this. Like, I really want to check out some new songs of BTS because I absolutely love all their songs. But I just had to watch another live performance of this because it's been too long and I listen to this song all the time, so I just had to. But anyways guys, let me know what other new songs you'd like me to check out. Like, I've been seeing a lot of, like, you guys have been saying Lights is one that has been requested a lot, and like Spine Breaker. So maybe let me know between them two which one you'd like me to check out the most first. But anyways, if you like this video, then please give me a thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. But anyways, tune in next time.